COVID-19 awareness program by NSS Group Shri KJ Polytechnic Bharuch, prepared by Dipen, Sneh, Bhavesh, Sahaj, Sajid, Devarshi and Priyanshi. COVID-19, or commonly known as coronavirus, is a deadly airborne virus. It affects our respiratory system, leading to coughing, sneezing, and due to which rapid increase in body temperature and decrease in oxygen level of body takes place. Are there any precautions to be safe from this virus? Yes, there are a number of precautions one should take to be protected. Always wear mask in public, wash your hands with sanitizer and keep 2 feet of distance from everyone. Some precautions to be taken in public. Greet without physical contact, wash hands frequently, disinfect touched surfaces, discourage crowd and wear masks always. Social distancing is one of the easiest and best way to be protected from this coronavirus. Advantages of wearing a mask. Mask protect you from other people, prevent spread of virus, it stops you from touching your face and it has proven psychological benefits. This is a simple tutorial of how to wear a mask. Use of sanitizer. Disinfect hands, protecting oneself from COVID, and it's always good to be bacteria free. Here is a small tutorial on how to apply sanitizer to your hands.
As soon as you come from office to home, the very first thing you need to do is wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. In your hands, take a bath. Now, after taking bath, take a steam. Now, to boost your immunity, have a decoction.
Hello ma'am, your courier.
Oh, thank you so much. Could you please put it down here? Thank you.
Bye bye Shruti aunty. Bye bye.
Where are you going?
For playing.
Wear your mask first.
Oh.
Janu, your mask. Good girl. Bye, beta.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye bye. Ayan, are. Ayan. Janu pagray guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ah. Ayan, kote. You should wear mask. While playing, you should wear the mask and not to take out mask.
How are you? Stay away. I'll go for bath first. Steam is also must. After taking steam, boiled water is also very necessary as it improves your immunity as well.
નમસ્કાર. આજે આપણો આખો દેશ કોવિડ-19 એટલે કે કોરોના વાયરસથી ઝઝૂમી રહ્યો છે. ત્યારે આપણે આપનું ધ્યાન અચૂકપણે રાખવાનું છે. કામ સિવાય ઘરની બહાર ના નીકળીએ, માસ્ક પહેરીએ તેમજ વારંવાર સાબુથી અને સેનિટાઈઝરથી હાથ ધોઈએ. જો શરદી, ખાંસી, તાવ કે અન્ય કોઈ એવા લક્ષણો દેખાય તો તરત જ નજીકના ડૉક્ટર કે ફેમિલી ડૉક્ટરની સલાહ લઈએ. આપણે સુરક્ષિત તો આપણું પરિવાર સુરક્ષિત, અને જો આપણું પરિવાર સુરક્ષિત રહેશે તો આપણો દેશ પણ સુરક્ષિત રહેશે. તો સાવધાન રહીએ, સુરક્ષિત રહીએ. જય હિન્દ.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanshu Patel. Today I'm gonna show you how to take preventive measures to boost your immunity power nowadays. So watch the video to find out some Ayurvedic measures or ingredients and spices to increase your immunity power, as prevention is always better than cure. Measures are the very interesting one. Make sure while you are cooking, use these kinds of spices to boost your immunity power. Ayurveda has some ancient secrets on immunity building power and the certain things that you will do to ensure the immunity remains okay. Here I have taken some dry spices, and yes, of course, India love having their cup of chai. Here I will suggest having a cup of herbal tea. How to make a herbal tea? Here are some dry spices which we have to use in herbal tea are black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, bee shrubs, that is ajwain, cumin seeds, jeera, ginger, tulsi, fresh lemon juice, and some tea leaves. First of all, boil a cup of water in a teapot. Till our water boils, make the paste of the dry spices. Now add that paste to the boiled water. Now add ginger to it. Boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Add tulsi leaves to it. Boil it properly. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and boil it for 5 minutes. Now serve it in a cup. After serving, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice in it and mix it properly. Our herbal tea is ready to drink. Now enhance the taste. Stay safe, stay alive, stay healthy.
Thank you for watching. Be home, be safe, wear mask and maintain social distancing, and let's hope we defeat coronavirus.